In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us 10 different reasons why you should start your YouTube channel this year. Now, many of us want to start our YouTube channel, but then we've been having cold feet. I want you to tell me in the comment section why you have not started your YouTube channel. Let's know how to help you. Well, in today's video, I'm going to reveal us 10 reasons why you need to start this year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith, but in this channel, we talk about starting your YouTube channel. We talk about video editing, copywriting, financial intelligence, and personal development. Now, if you've not joined this family, please do well to click the subscribe button right now and join this family. And to everyone that have joined this beautiful family, I say thank you so much for being a part of this great family. So let's get right into today's video. Many of us are on different social media platforms, but then we are wondering which platform we should give our attention to this year. Now, here are 10 different reasons why you should start and focus on building your YouTube channel. The first reason is that YouTube is a source of passive income. And by passive income, I mean that you can stay in your house in the comfort of your home and you're earning money. You can be earning while you're sleeping. You can be earning money from YouTube while you're doing other activities. Now, YouTube allows you to create videos and long-form content that gets to pay you even in years to come. So a video you created 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago, or 1 month ago can still be paying you up till date.
Wow.
And not just that, you can start your YouTube channel with just zero capital. Once you have the necessary tools that you're going to use to start your YouTube channel, you can start with zero capital. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with us the necessary tools you need to start your YouTube channel with. So do well to check out that video, right? The second reason why you have to start and build your YouTube channel this year is because amongst other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, YouTube pays its content creators the best, right? Compared to other social media platforms, YouTube pays more than 50%. That's more than half of the ad revenue it receives. So content creators get to be monetized in YouTube when they partner with YouTube through different ways. One of the ways is by ad revenue, and that means that when you reach the target, when you've made up the monetization criteria, and then you are now partnering with YouTube, they get to pay you for the ads they impute in your videos. Now, there are other ways you can make money on YouTube, but this is just one of the ways, and for YouTube, it pays more than every other platform. So that is the reason why you need to give YouTube attention this year, and it's a passive income. So the money can be flowing in while you're busy with other things and making money from other sources, right? Now, the third reason why YouTube is very important this year is that your videos can be accessible on other platforms besides YouTube. You can create a course and then link it to YouTube. People can go on Google and search a topic and your video can pop out. You know that when you go to Google to search, they'll bring out options for you and you see the video section, you see the image section, also see the news section. So in the video sections, YouTube videos pop out in those places. So your video can be accessible on other social media platforms. Now, the fourth reason why you should start a YouTube channel this year is because you can create long-term videos on YouTube that would be repurposed and posted on other social media platforms. So if you create a 15 minutes video, you can cut that video and put in your YouTube short and put in your Instagram reel and put in your Facebook reel and make a Facebook post with it, or even post it on your TikTok. So it helps you to create just a single video, but you can repurpose it and post on other social media platforms. One of the problems that content creators face is that we find it difficult, or we burn out when we are trying to keep up our social media platforms, when we are trying to keep all of them active and post different things on our social media platform. But when you're on YouTube and you create a YouTube video, which is usually a long form video like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, and even some 1 hour and more, you can repurpose those videos and then create them into shorts, or create them into reels, or create them into carousels, make the points into carousels and post on Instagram. So it makes it easy for you to have many content that you can post on other social media platforms, right? Now, not just that alone, if you are creating YouTube videos, it makes it easy for you to master every other platform. So you can thrive and grow your audience in every other platform once you're thriving and growing on YouTube, because YouTube is like the boss. It's one of the toughest platforms that you can grow. So if you master YouTube, it's going to be easy for you to master and grow on other social media platforms. It's just going to be a walkover for you. Now, the fifth reason is that having a YouTube channel makes you an authority, helps you to build your brand as well. Most brands, when they want to partner with you, they want to know if you have a YouTube channel. They want to go to check your videos on YouTube. They want to know your content. They want to know your brand. They want to know who you really are. And YouTube is a space where they get more information about you. Because on other social media platforms, you can paste 5 seconds video, 10 seconds video, 6 seconds video, but on YouTube, you're really deep, right? You're really giving the content, you're really giving long form content that would help them define who you really are and what your business stands for. So if you want to become an authority, if you want to build your personal brand, if you want to build your business brand, then you should consider starting a YouTube channel this year. Now, the 6th reason why you should start a YouTube channel this year is because YouTube helps you to become a good public speaker. By learning to create YouTube videos, you gain confidence, you gain charisma, and you're able to stand in front of a camera as well as stand in front of an audience and talk. I usually have issues talking in front of a crowd, even talking to persons one-on-one. But then when I started creating my YouTube videos, I learned how to stand in front of a camera and talk. I learned how to gain confidence and talk with confidence. I learned how to be a good public speaker, and I reflect the lessons I learned while creating YouTube videos and standing and speaking to a large audience, right? So if you want to become a good public speaker, instead of waiting for a coach, a mentor, or a class where you get to learn how to be a good public speaker, you can just start by putting the camera in front of you and then talking to the camera. It helps you to gain your voice, or find your voice rather. It helps you to gain confidence, it helps you to find your charisma, it helps you to find courage and strength in talking to an audience, because you can easily replicate the same thing when you stand in front of an audience. So it's a good way to become a good public speaker. This is the reason why you should start a YouTube channel this year. Now, another beautiful thing about YouTube, this is the 7th reason now, is that YouTube focuses on an individual video, right? So if you create a video, it's not going to judge that video based on the performance of the other videos in your channel. So if you create a video today and then you optimize the video, use a good thumbnail, use a good title, and then create a good content, have a quality video, YouTube can push that video to a larger audience compared to other videos in your channel. So a single video can perform better, far better, 10 times better than every other video in your channel. This is unlike other platforms, right? Other platforms, there's always that range of performance. A video can perform very well and then every other video around it is within that same range. But YouTube focuses on a single video, right? So how you create that video is going to determine how viral or how wild that video is going to go, not on the face, not on the outcome of the other videos in your channel. Now, the 8th reason why you should start a YouTube channel today, this year, is that YouTube gives you more data compared to every other platform. It gives you more data and helps you to grow. Helps you to grow as an individual, helps your business to grow, and gives you different ways to improve your video. So if I like the video you did today, it's going to be better than the one you did yesterday, because when you're looking at the analytics that the YouTube provides for you, you're going to know how to improve the video. Once you start a YouTube channel, you're going to download a YouTube studio, right? Where you're going to have access to your analytics. It's going to give you information about each video you upload. So it's going to tell you how many persons saw the video, the time they saw the video, the number of minutes they stayed on that video, which second or which portion of that video did they rewatch, the audience retention. It's going to tell you the gender that is watching your videos more. It's going to tell you the country that your audience are more from. It's just going to break down different information and give you lots and lots and lots of data on each particular video. So it's going to help you know what your audience like, what your audience is not like, how you can improve your video, how you can do better, what you should adjust. It can even tell you down to the thumbnail that is performing well. If you have other softwares like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, they're also going to even give you more information. Give you information like your competitors, what they are posting, give you topic suggestions. It's going to give you lots and lots of information that will just make it easy for you to create your next video and do better in your next video. So this is not found in any other platform except YouTube. Other platform will give you insights, but they don't give you as much data as YouTube does. And this will help you to grow your business. It will help you to grow your YouTube channel. It will help you to grow your video editing skills, and you get to do better subsequently. This is the reason why you should focus on YouTube this year. It's really going to help your life and business. And now to the 9th reason why you should start a YouTube channel this year. This year, YouTube introduced another criteria to get monetized. Yes, prior to this year, before you can become a YouTube partner, you need to have gained at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. But this year, they introduce another criteria, and that criteria is the short views, right? Your short feed views, your short videos. There's a short section where you can create 15 seconds videos or 60 seconds videos and post on your YouTube Shorts. Now, if you get up to 10 million short views within 90 days, that's approximately 3 months, but within 90 days, then you also pass the criteria and you can become a YouTube partner. Now, the reason why this criteria is very particular and very good is because shorts are just videos you can create. You don't need to sit for hours to create shorts, right? You can just create 1 minute video and post it, and you can get 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 views. And it's not about the watch hour, it's about the views, right? So once you get 10 million views within 90 days, it's doable. It doesn't even need to be your own content. They also have this feature where you can remix another video. So maybe a video is going viral in your niche and you want to react to that video. So you can remix that video, react to it, post it, and it also gets views to your channel. And it's also going to be counted for you, right? So it makes it easy now for content creators to become partners, and not just creating your own content or spending long hours in studio creating your video, but you can just do short videos and put out there. They are just encouraging connection, connectivity, networking, and also helping content creators not to be burnt out in creating videos. So 1 minute video is good and it's out there. That means you can create more often, you can post more often, you can post more than 1 video in a day, you can keep posting. It helps consistency. So this is a feature that we all need to leverage in, and it's now that it's just starting that you can leverage on this feature and make and become a YouTube partner. You know that over time they get to adjust their criteria, they get to adjust their policies, and they get to adjust their criteria for becoming a YouTube partner. It wasn't the same thing last year, it wasn't the same thing last 2 years, and that in 2 years or in a year they get to just adjust and impute 1 or 2 things here. So now that this is just starting, it's the best time to leverage on it. The beautiful thing about YouTube Shorts too is that it gets to a larger audience that your normal video can get. Now YouTube Shorts can get to millions of people even when you don't have those numbers as your subscribers. It gets to people, even those that are subscribers to your channel and those that are not. And it goes faster, it goes wilder than your normal videos. So you need to leverage on this. That's why you have to start this year, so that you leverage on this as soon as possible before they get to adjust it or make it harder for content creators to actually get monetized. So you need to start this year and begin to work with this criteria to become a YouTube partner, where you can get passive income just lying down in your house or just creating content from the comfort of your home without even going out, and yet you're making money. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And now the final reason why you need to start a YouTube channel this year is because this is just the best year to find expression. I mean, the world is waiting for your manifestation. You have a skill, you have a talent in you, you have something that you want to share with the world. Why are you holding it back? Why are you preventing us from enjoying the beautiful talents and potentials that you have and the great content that you should bring out to us? So this is just the best year for you to start. If you've been nurturing the idea to start a YouTube channel, whether you want to start it to teach, right? Or you want to start it to share the word of God or share the gospel or teach a particular skill or just have fun, whatever reason why you're learned, why you want to start a YouTube channel, this is the best time to start for that reason. Do not hold back anymore, right? Do not have cold feet. I believe that with this few points of mine, I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that you should start your YouTube channel this year. Now, if with the few points of mine you are convinced that you want to start a YouTube channel, then watch out for my next video, because I am going to be sharing the tools, the items, the equipment that you need to start your YouTube channel with. Now, even if you don't have the funds, you have zero capital, there are basic things that you can easily get and you can easily use and start your channel. I'm going to be breaking them down in my next video. I'm going to be sharing my experience, how I started, what I started with, and how I kept growing. Definitely there should be room for growth. So even if you're starting with zero capital, a time will come when you need to improve and build more things into your studio. So I'm going to be breaking down the different tools you need to start a YouTube channel with. And then in the second video, in my next video after this next video, I'm going to be sharing with us exactly how to start a YouTube channel, how to create your channel, how to package your channel, and how to start posting your videos. Then subsequently, I'm going to be giving us more tips on how to create your videos, how to edit your videos, how to get subscribers, how to hit the target and become a YouTube partner, and lots more content on YouTube, starting a YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you've not, like this video, share this video, and let other persons get to know that this channel exists and we have lots and lots of content to bring to you. All right, so I hope that this video has been of help to you and has convinced you and not confused you to start your YouTube channel. I can't wait to have more YouTubers in my space. I can't wait to have you come live, right? Partner with me or go on live together with me, even as a YouTuber. I can't wait to have this community become a community of YouTubers who are making impact in our generation. So what are you waiting for? Start putting your plans together to start a YouTube channel this year. And just know that I am supporting you. I am your biggest fan, and I will see you at the top. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Love you.